Dito sa Sampaloc, Manila, may isang kalsada na nagtatransform paggabi. During the day, it's a normal, quiet neighborhood. Pero pagsapit ng gabi, it becomes a food court. So parang street party lang ang peg, no? Kaya lang walang beer dito. So, nagdala ako ng sarili kong beer. Hi everyone, this is NJ Mijares. And in this episode, we're going to taste this Canadian craft beer here in this Pinoy street kitchen. But before we drink this beer, let's talk about this place first. The whole stretch of this street is lined up with various food options. Meron diyang mga coffee shop, may mga street food, may mga food carts, may mga restaurants, karinderias, bakeries, ihawans, ang daming ihawans dito at kung ano-ano pa. It really comes alive during the night. So where am I right now? This sidewalk kitchen is called Kainan Zamora. During the week, pag nagbubukas to, ang mabibili mo rito mga burgers, meron silang mga pastas, ramen, meron ding mga desserts, mga cupcakes, brownies. On the other side, may puto bumbong, may bibingka. And then in the middle, nandyan yung mga seafood na grilled and rice meals. But every Saturday, this very same sidewalk kitchen becomes this. Ang pangalan nitong restaurant na to ay Mangantila kay Mang Romy. Bili tayong chicharon. Chicharon, hangin.
Ilan, sir?
Kano ba ito?
15.
Apat. That's also another interesting thing about this street. Kapag gabi, ang daming dumadaan dito na mga nagtitinda ng mga kung ano-ano, like this one. Pabili kami ng chicharon. This is one of my favorite chicharons. I call this chicharong hangin. Kasi, literally, puro hangin ang laman. This one. Suka. This street is where I grew up in when I was in elementary and high school. Dito kami naglalaro sa kalsada na to. Patintero, Shato, Bataya-taya, Taguan. This very particular house kung nasaan yung Kainan Zamora, that's my childhood home. When I was in high school, tuwing pagkatapos ng klase, dito kami dumidiretso ng mga kaklase ko. Nagvi-video games, nagigitara, and of course, dito rin ako natutong uminom dito sa bahay na to. Particularly dito sa bangketa na to. This is the place where we always drink. Diyan sa bangketa na yan. So very memorable para sa akin itong place na to. So ang in-order ko guys, it's chicharong bulaklak. Chicharong bulaklak. May kasama siyang itlog pero extra yan. Karamihan ng mga kumakain dito mga estudyante ng National University, NU. Pero meron ding mga umabot dito ng mga taga-UST. Because this is very near UST din. It's only about 5 to 7 minute walk from Espanya. The servings are very generous and the pricing naman are hindi ganun kamahal. Kaya it's very popular dito sa mga estudyante. So this chicharong bulaklak with rice is 120 pesos. Masarap yung mga pagkain, pwedeng pampulutan. Pero yun na nga, unfortunately, walang beer. Bawal uminom dito sa kalsada, dito sa Manila. But, I'm still gonna do it. We are going to drink this white IPA. Philip is a Canadian craft beer. And this one particularly, they call it Electric Unicorn. It's 6.5% alcohol by volume. So, medyo mataas siya. It's an IPA, so I'm expecting na medyo bitter. Let's look at the color. The color is very typical of a white IPA. They call it golden straw, yung kulay nito, yung ganitong klase ng kulay. It's a little bit hazy. And yung bula sa ibabaw is not that high. So, I guess hindi ganun ka taas yung carbonation niya. Ang bango niya, I smell some fruity notes. I can already predict that this is going to be refreshing. Let's taste it. Cheers. Nice. Nice. That's a very good flavor. Okay, immediately ang flavors na natikman ko sa mouth, immediately, it's the citrusy flavors. I don't know kung may ingredient ito na citrus or orange. But that's what the initial impression that I got from it. It's very good. Hindi siya bitter at all. Although it's IPA, wala siyang bitterness. This particular beer, nabili ko to sa Northern Craft PH. It's an online store that imports Canadian craft beers dito sa Philippines. You can find them on Instagram, Facebook, and their website, Northern Craft PH. Masarap naman yung Canadian craft beer. Kaya lang, syempre hinahanap ko pa rin yung lasa ng Pinoy beers. Kabili, may malamig na pale pilsen, maliit yan.
For taste ko kasama dito.
At the end of the day, San Miguel pa rin ang sakalam. Pinakabagay na Pinoy beer sa mga kalsada ng Sampaloc.